So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I again represent you another uh, product unboxing. So actually this is a mobile stand. So actually I ordered it from Flipkart. As you can see the branding of Flipkart. So I decided to order it because I say on some of my videos that holding a phone in my left hand and capturing the video is likely to very impossible to me. So that's why I order a mobile camera stand. So it's helped me to record my videos. So that's why I use both of my hands for recording, both of my hands for unboxing of the product. But now I make this video just only with my one hand. Okay, so this helped me to shoot my video very easily. So okay, so no more talk. So and the product is Surety quality, good flexible mobile arm neck. This is the order. As you can see on the screen, this I order it from Flipkart. As you can see the price is 259, but I order it, the total order price is 312 rupees. So okay, so I already give this product description in my video description, this product link, product purchase link in my video description. So okay, no more talk, let's see. As you can see, this is the bill. So as you can see, this is the bill. So let's unpack it. So actually I unpack with this scissors. Okay, so let's unpack this. So so as you can see that it also comes with bubble wrap to help the product if the product is not damaged. So if you fall from high area and the product is not damaged. So okay, so let's so oh, so as you can see that the stand comes with also another protector. So I have to remove it and come out from this plastic bag. And the build quality of the product is very much good because okay, so wow, what a product. So actually friends, the product structure is very much complex. I do not know that how to use it, but I try my hard. So okay, so the product structure is very much complex. So okay, so friends, so friends, actually when the product came, the with the packaging, the product is bent with this sometime with this type of shape. So to use this you must have deeply press it. Okay, press. Okay, and after that, as you can see that it properly hold a space. So just compare it with this image. So as you can see that this is some kinds of similar shape. So just if you don't understand that how to recognize its shape, so then compare with this Flipkart image. So first time I also know that I how to use it. So actually this is a magnesium alloy copper, so there is no chance that it will break. Okay. Oh, okay, so as you can see that, so now this type of holding. And friends, it also comes with a clip. So as you can see that this is the clip. So what you have to do is compare this image, this, and as you can see there, so first you have to pull this, and after that you have to insert the clip in here. So same like image. So as you can see that this is perfectly fitted. And now, so let's hold my phone here. Okay, so let's hold my phone here. So as you can see that the phone is successfully hold, and all the recording now you see it's the plastic is holding my phone. Okay, so as you can say so okay, and as you can see that this is my two hand, I do not use my hand. So now the phone is held by this stand. So okay, so so okay friends, this is my unboxing video of this product. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. And if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below. I try my hard to resolve your problem. So okay friends, goodbye. And as you can see, this is the product. So okay friends, goodbye.